iOS 26 just dropped, and well, your phone looks completely different. Apple calls this liquid glass, and it makes your phone feel like a new phone. This isn't just a new coat of paint. Apple reworked the way iOS feels. Lock screen animations glide, control center is customizable, and apps now move like liquid. It's sharper, smoother, and more futuristic. But the design is just the start. iOS 26 is packed with hidden features and settings that we're going to get into in this video. So buckle up, because this is the most in-depth look at iOS 26 that you're going to find. First up, we have to look at the liquid glass design. Every transition flows like water. Widgets sync into your lock screen, and even notifications shimmer with subtle motion. This is Apple's biggest visual overhaul since iOS 7, and whether you like it or not, it's here. Next, let's talk about messages. Apple's dropped a ton of new changes here, and they kind of fall into 3 different categories: personalization, smarter management, and Apple Intelligence. Personalization starts with custom chat backgrounds. Tap a contact or group, hit the new background tab, and pick from Apple's designs something you create in Image Playground or any photo in your library. This makes every thread feel unique. My wife's chat has a photo of us, my group chats get fun designs, and it makes messages feel just a little more fun. Next is smarter management. Tap the filter button and you'll see options like unread and spam. iOS now auto-detects spam texts and keeps them out of your inbox. Honestly, finally, no more scrolling past all those scam texts just to find the text that you're looking for. Then there's all sorts of group iMessaging upgrades. Group typing indicators show everyone typing, and new built polls make decisions painless. If your group chat can't pick a restaurant, your iPhone can suggest a poll, or you can make your own by tapping the plus button. Apple has also upgraded communication beyond just texts. Call screening now asks unknown numbers for their name before it even rings your phone. So if it's a real caller, it'll ring through, but if it's a scammer, then, well, your iPhone will just hang up and you never have to worry about it. Kinda nice. And if you're stuck on hold assist will keep the call alive while you go about your day. The second they take you off hold, your phone will notify you. That's the dream right there. No more listening to hold music for 40 minutes. You can actually just go on about your day. And translation is built into Messages, Phone, and FaceTime. If the person on the other end is speaking another language, your iPhone will translate it live. Apple's finally using their Apple Intelligence features in a way that's maybe kind of useful. Alright, let's actually talk about Apple Intelligence, because last year it flopped pretty hard, but this year they've added a couple more features, so let's go over them. First is Genmoji. You can now combine 2 different emojis in Genmoji. Just type 2 emojis and Apple Intelligence will blend them together. It's not like this is a necessity or something that's going to change your life forever, but it's kind of fun in a group chat or something. You can make your own emoji and send off to people. Next is Image Playground, which we had before, but now Apple's added ChatGPT support. You can make stickers, wallpapers, or images to drop right into messages. Will everyone use this? Probably not. But it is cool that Apple actually partnered with OpenAI to bring ChatGPT to this, because now it's actually maybe kind of usable. But the best Apple Intelligence feature is Visual Intelligence. Long press the camera control to activate Visual Intelligence. Take a picture and instantly search within Google or ChatGPT. And it's not just the camera. Take a screenshot, highlight anything, boom, instant answers. This is huge. Okay, iOS 18 brought us the worst Photos app design ever. And so Apple changed things up a little bit, hopefully to make it a little better. Now you have 2 clean tabs, Library and Collections. Simple, focused, and way easier to navigate. I honestly like it because most of the time I'm just looking for my photos, and then if I need to check out albums, I just swipe right over to the collections, and it seems pretty easy to me. What do you think? Then there's spatial scenes. Okay, I didn't think I would care about this at all. I thought it was going to be pretty gimmicky, but this is one of the coolest features in iOS 26. For real, you've got to try this out. The camera app also got a complete new redesign, making it a lot more simple. There's a new much cleaner layout, plus AirPods can now act as a remote shutter, which is perfect for group photos. Even Apple Music got a little bit smarter. Lyrics now auto-translate and playlists support folders, but the standout feature is Audio Mix. It blends songs together just like a DJ. Smooth transitions that make your playlist feel like a live set. Podcasts got a new enhanced dialogue mode, so voices cut through background noise. So that's iOS 26. Are you gonna upgrade today? Maybe let me know in the comments, I'm curious. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.